Tired of Venmo always defaulting to that one credit card you never want to use? Let's fix that. First, open the Venmo app on your phone. Look for your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap it. This will take you to your personal settings. Scroll down the menu until you see Payment Methods. Select that option. This is where you manage all your linked bank accounts, credit cards, and debit cards. Here, you'll see all your linked payment methods. Identify the one you want to use as your preferred payment method. Now, tap on the payment method you want to prioritize. You should see the option to set as preferred. If you don't see a set as preferred button, your preferred method is automatically selected and you don't need to take any further action. Tap the Set as Preferred button. A confirmation window will pop up to confirm that your payment method will be set as preferred. And just like that, the payment method you have chosen will be marked as the preferred payment method. The next time you send money, Venmo will default to this one. You can change this at any time by following the same steps. You are all set.